The way that our space looks represents us and projects an image of our company.
Everybody stops and looks. We still stop and look.
We knew that in this space, what they built would last.
The industry is very much moved towards do it quick, do it fast, do it cheap, and in doing that you lose the quality, you lose the detail, and you lose the service.
In the construction business today, it sometimes seems like people have lost touch with the basics, as though the good things that built the industry are just relics of another era. But at Greiner Construction, these values aren't old-fashioned or outdated. They are alive and well, and they're the reason we're in business.
You can ask any staff person here who Greiner is, and they would be able to say, well, they're the people that did this work here, and that they've done an excellent job.
I really think we've grown to where we are because we have really kept sight of our focus, which is service and quality.
We have a very high level of craftsmanship, I think. We don't slam it in and caulk it. We scribe it 2 or 3 times, make it fit so that it looks like the countertop grew out of the wall.
The Greiner way really is do it right the first time, provide the best quality and service that you can.
Treat people the way I would want to be treated. If this was my office, if this was my money that was being spent.
They might fix a wall, they might do whatever it is I ask them to do around here, but what they truly deliver is client service. I don't view them as construction guys. They're just part of our team. It's the same people that show up, so I know their names. I know what kind of service I'm going to get. It's just fun to work with them.
Not every project is a high-end law firm. It's not all about wood paneling and high-end finishes, but there still needs to be a level of quality, a level of details, and that's what our customers are paying us for.
It's all about relationships. One of my major clients is Health Partners. I've worked with them for 10 years. I see them more as a friend than a client.
Greiner and Health Partners have done several projects. They've ranged from the construction of a complete new clinic all the way down to, I need you to go in and repair this wall that got banged by the door last night. They've covered every range, several million down to just a few dollars.
Greiner's estimates are excellent. They come back with numbers that are very good.
Patients like to have what we call a one-stop shopping. They're going to have their eyes looked at. They also would like to be able to purchase their frames. So we have a large retail area now in our optical shops and try to really make that look very sharp and exciting for the patient.
You need to have a construction company that is committed to doing construction in healthcare, whether it be medical or dental.
The first thing we're going to look for is somebody who understands the medical technology, the flow of patients and space and how to work around that stuff.
And it's not just like going into a medical office building or an industrial site.
We don't want the construction to be something that causes more sickness. And it does require a good understanding of cleanliness and dust and debris. Greiner's work with us in the medical business is fine-tuned. They know how to work with the patients, they know how to work with the staff, so that we're all very comfortable in what's going to happen. They fit our bill.
It takes a real sense of teamwork that you just don't find in a lot of other construction companies. Everybody contributes to the success of a project. The architect, the building manager, the tenant. It also goes to subcontractors and actually the carpenters and the laborers in the field.
The architect and Greiner and I work very closely together. The three of us all have the same vision.
The main thing that makes the difference between contractors and in which Greiner shines is their communication skills. They just really know how to communicate. If we don't communicate with people, we're going to run into trouble. But
their site people have established the credibility with the clinic people.
They know the doctors by name, they know the nurses by name.
We work as a team.
So that we're all very comfortable in what's going to happen.
And this is what makes it work.
I can call any one of the members of the team and the rest of the team is informed. It's truly seamless.
We are constantly accepting challenges and improving our delivery of projects and raising the bar on what we do, improving every day.
In 99% of the projects that we do with Greiner, we keep operational. We don't have a shutdown. They're doing their work and we're on the other side of the hall doing our work.
It really is the partnership that it needs to be.
The proof for us is interviewing our clients, talking to them, sitting down with them. Every one of them is going to tell you we do a great job. We get asked back over and over again. Most of our business is repeat business.
As I look back over the years of the working relationship with Greiner, what I would say is the continuity and the standard that they have brought to the projects are excellent.
It's been a partnership from the day one, and it continues to be simply because they take as much pride in the space as we do.
Greiner has been around for about 20 years, and I think in the construction industry, that does speak to their integrity.
Whenever we have an interior project that we're really concerned about, Greiner's the one that we talk about having do it. They have the expertise, and I don't have to worry about it. They have done this enough times that I'm very confident that the work that they will do is going to be done correctly.
As a business owner, can you afford not to have a first-class image in your office environment that projects who you are and what your company is? Can you afford not to have your project finished on time? Can you afford not to have somebody on board that understands cost and process? We understand how to remodel office space or banking environments. We have got that down to a science.